Hello everyone, this is Anas and today I am going to discuss the paragraph and elements of paragraph. A paragraph is made of a group of related sentences that support one main idea. And a good paragraph in academic writing has many elements like topic sentence. Topic sentence contains the main idea that the author wants to express. It is often located at the beginning of the paragraph, but sometimes, especially in longer pieces, it can be found in middle or even at the end. Supporting sentences are the sentences which support main idea. All sentences in a paragraph should support the topic sentence. A combination of details, examples, statistic, and quotation are all supporting materials. Logical order. All the sentences in the paragraph should be arranged in a logical sequence so that they can make sense. Concluding sentences conclude the main idea of paragraph. They are mainly in the last of the paragraph, which conclude the main idea of paragraph. Unity. When all the sentences in a piece of writing relate to main idea, this is unity. Today we discussed paragraph and its elements. What is paragraph? It's nothing but a group of sentences which support one idea. It has many elements like topic sentence, supporting sentences, logical order, concluding sentences, and unity.